Hi guys, today I want to handle something called a skank or a trem, something that is done a lot in reggae and sublime music, California, surf, whatever. I just want to share with you what I do with the skank, and hope it'll help you out. First straight skank. Sorry. Yeah, so that kind of sound, a lot of people like doing upstroke. That has a very definite sound, a little plunky. But a trem is kind of like it's much more suggestive, but you still hear it. And the trick to doing this is when you pass with your right hand, you really focus on the last four strings, and on your left hand, you're kind of pressing really lightly, so if you can see it. To get that nice muted sound, in my opinion. There are a lot of variations. You can also do full ones. But yeah, that you'll use that for different purposes. And you also have this one, which is really nice. What we're doing now is we're doing the same skank, but then we just bring it up on this off tempo, and you just kind of lightly make your plectrum, pick, come back up. So and I'm doing this sublime slide. And then once you start practicing those things just to get that nice skanky sound, you start freestyling a little bit. You can also throw a little pentatonic in it. You kind of freestyle. That's the cool thing about reggae. They just a whole bunch of pentatonic and a lot of feel. Hope it'll help you out. It helped me out. I practiced the skank a long time, and I like doing it. Peace.